we're just going to load up the game here. And as you can see, we've got a whole bunch of buttons in our client menu for both real-time and standard, multi and single. So we're going to go single player. We got a couple options here, so let's just change our name to something kind of fun. And we'll set the number of opponents to 2, 3, and 4. All right. Let's set the map to tavern just so we know what we're getting into away from random. We're going to start the game. Just take a second to load up here. All right. So now you're looking at choosing what tournament color you want to start with. And you can see we have a white card, so we can pick whatever color we want. Let's go with blue. Why not? All right. So we're just going to click and drag it into the display area here, and we're going to let go. All right. You can actually see over here in the chat, I'll move this thing out of the way, the 4 opponents have a different name and different dialogue lines and dialogue trees, and they'll talk with you throughout the game with the chat menu over there. All right, so we've got that. We're going to end the turn here. All right, so you can see our withdraw button. It's changed to withdraw button because we're losing. We have a blue tournament. That's why it's blue. We're at a 2, and the front is at a 6. So we're going to have to play another card here. Let's play a maiden. Why not? Throw it on there and pass the turn along. All right. Well, let's try an action card because we can't do math. All right. There we go. Well, we're not going to be able to win. So we'll play these cards, and then there's only one thing left, and that's cheating. Our chat menu over there, you can type whatever you want, but let's just cheat. So we're going to input a cheat code. It's Romeo and Juliet. And it gives us a maiden. And there we go. So we won this one. So you can see we now have a blue gem right there. And there is red to designate that this is a red tournament. You can chat and type whatever you want. So I'm just going to type something in here just for fun. And that works in multiplayer. So you can send it to other players so that you can actually kind of chat, which is neat. We only got one red card, so we're going to play it. Let's just snap it to a grid. You can see if you don't like the total freeform, you can snap it to a localized grid. I prefer freeform. The star designates that it's our turn. And that's more relevant in multiplayer, obviously. All right, we're not going to win this one, so we'll withdraw. You can see up there, that's a red. He won, and he chose to make it blue. The AI actually chooses tournament colors. But we're not going to be able to win this one, so we'll leave after this. But first of all, you can move around some of the little things in the background. They're called doodads. So those torches are animated. Some of the mugs are sticky because of all the drinks and alcohol in the tavern. And so you can move them around just a little bit clippy. All right, we're going to end there. So when you want to leave, you just press escape. And then you click Quick Game. And it takes you back up to the client. And then you're able to do whatever else you want.